Hi there everyone, happy to have you come back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you an easy, very easy way to create your own ephemera, your own decoupage images on tracing paper. So this is a page that I did yesterday. Now these images I did buy online. You can use whatever you have. Lay it down in your computer as if you're going to copy, whatever you're used to copying. Always put it with the tissue side down in your tray, and then off you go. So, I mean, it's easy as that. And then when it's done, you just lift it off. This is copy paper in the back. You just lift it off like that. And Bob's your uncle. So I have a piece of copy paper here. I'm going to simply put some glue stick, relatively thin line of glue stick along my edges. This is normal size copy paper. Then I'm going to lay my tracing paper down. Try to line it up so I just have one side that's over the edge, and down the bottom will be over the edge. I believe this is 8 by 10 copy paper, and this is probably 9 by 12 tracing paper, something like that. Anyway, the tracing paper is going to be larger than the copy paper. Yeah, just trim it down. Now you don't want any, better pair of scissors here. Those seem to be. You don't want to put this through the printer as is, because this little tracing paper will probably get caught and jam up your printer. I just have a, inexpensive inkjet printer. So now I'm trimming this down. After this is trimmed down, I'm going to put it in my tray, face down. As I said, the tissue must be face down. So now this is going to go in my tray, face down, like that. And my images are going to be on top of, you lift the lid and you put your images down for copying. When you're finished, after it's printed, you just gently, as I was showing you before, just gently lift it off of your copy paper. Like that. And there you have it. It'll curl up, but you lay it in a book or somewhere and it'll be fine. Just remember, when you take it out of the computer, once it's printed, it's going to be wet. So I would leave, 5 or 10 minutes for that to dry. But you have some beautiful images here. Ones that you can use on your greeting cards. You can use in your journal for decoupaging, just for focal points. I'll show you. This is what I've used. Now there's my Victorian image. I've used napkin here, but this came from my tracing paper. I have a few more here. This was from my tracing paper. Where else have I got them? Let me see. This actually is from my tracing paper. That was a napkin. You can apply the napkin straight onto your journal page. And this is a napkin. So, easy. It's easy. Now, I've seen some more complicated ways of doing it with an iron and, different. But this, for me, is definitely the easiest. And as I said, you end up with some beautiful images. You can do it black and white as I've done. You can do it in color if you choose. Depends on what you want for your images. So, lovely, eh? Then just fussy cut those, apply them with some Mod Podge, and that's it. So couldn't be much easier. So I hope you have a great day. I hope you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'm new to YouTube, so obviously looking for subscribers. And yeah, I have some tips to offer. I sometimes work, if you'll see my other videos, I've done journal pages and some watercolor greeting cards, watercolor bookmarks. So yeah, check it out. So I hope you get some use out of that, and I hope you have a great day. Remember, subscribe. Take care. Bye-bye.